What are the most common types of home restoration?
When disaster strikes a property, the damage usually falls into a few distinct categories. Because each type of property emergency requires specialized engineering, specialized equipment, and specific safety protocols, home restoration is generally broken down into four primary categories. At Paul Davis Restoration of the Mid-Hudson Valley, technicians are specifically certified to handle each of these major restoration types. First, water damage restoration and mitigation. Water is the single most common cause of property damage. Whether it's a sudden emergency or a slow leak, water degrades structural materials and compromises a home quickly. Second, fire and smoke damage restoration. Fire property claims are incredibly complex because a single event creates multiple types of damage simultaneously. Heat damage, pervasive soot, chemical residue, and severe water saturation from firefighting efforts. Third, mold remediation. Mold is a secondary disaster. It thrives in damp environments and can begin growing on organic materials like drywall paper and wood framing within 24 to 48 hours of unmitigated water leak. And finally, fourth, storm and wind damage restoration. When severe weather hits, the exterior envelope of a home is breached, exposing the interior to the elements.
How long does a general home restoration project usually take?
The duration of a home restoration project can vary very widely. At Paul Davis Restoration of the Mid-Hudson Valley, the total timeline can range anywhere from a few days to several months, depending entirely on the scope and scale of the disaster. A typical water damage restoration project may take 1 week for a project where no reconstruction is required, to 4 weeks if reconstruction is needed to rebuild the home. If repairs to a bathroom or a kitchen are involved, additional reconstruction needs may extend the timeline to 8 to 12 weeks or longer. More severe losses may require additional time. Recovering from fire damage can take longer. A restoration project for a minor fire affecting only one room of a home may require 1 to 3 weeks. Restoring damage from a large fire may take 3 to 6 months or longer.